Hi, this is a video to help you with step number 8 on, let's see, it's assignment 3-4, the independent project. So, first of all, we have to have the chart selected. So as long as you didn't click outside of this, you would still have it selected. If not, you would need to make sure that you reselected that range, or if I get out, I can click back on the chart. That's really the easiest way. I don't like this. This is not centered. So if I click off of it, it's not selected. I click on the chart and it reselects the range. So on this one, it's kind of easy because landscape design is at the bottom. So it wants you to remove landscape design from the list of data items that are being charted. So this blue one, this teal or whatever. So all I'm going to do is come to this little corner where the little data fill handle, and I wait until I get to the arrow that points just to two, not 4 sides, but 2. Click, hold, and I'm just going to drag up one line and let go. Look, landscape design is now excluded. Let me undo that and try it again. So it's here. I've got everything selected. I go. The big thing here is that you go not the double, not the 4-pointed cross, but just the 2 arrows. Click, hold, drag up, let go. Okay, let me know if you still have problems.